In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create price rules in QuickBooks Online. Price rules let you adjust prices automatically based on simple conditions, so you can run promotions, offer special pricing to certain customers, or set different prices for specific products without changing your standard price list. They're great for seasonal sales, wholesale or VIP discounts, and time-bound offers, and they help keep your invoicing consistent and accurate. Let's get started inside QuickBooks Online. Look to the top right of your screen for the gear icon. This is the hub for your company-wide options and lists. Click the gear, then choose All Lists. Think of All Lists as your control panel for things like products, recurring templates, and in this case, price rules. On the All Lists page, select Price Rules. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing rules. This list view is useful for getting a quick snapshot of what's already in place, including rule names, status, and date ranges. Take a moment to scan what's there to avoid duplicates or conflicting rules. If something looks outdated or too similar to what you plan to create, you can come back later to edit or deactivate it so your pricing stays clean and predictable. Now, click Create to start setting up your price rule. Give the rule a clear, descriptive name that tells you who it's for and why it exists, such as Spring Promo 10% off or Wholesale Tier A. Choose which products or services the rule should apply to, whether that's a single item, a category, or a broader set. If the rule should only affect certain customers or customer types, specify that as well, so you don't accidentally discount across the board. Next, define how the price will change. You can set a percentage discount, a fixed amount off, or a specific price, depending on what suits the promotion. Add a start and end date if the rule is time-bound, and consider including a quick note in the description to remind yourself of the purpose or any conditions. Keep the rule simple and targeted to make it easy to maintain. Once the rule looks good, review your choices and finalize it. After the rule is saved, QuickBooks will apply it automatically where it qualifies. It's a good idea to test by creating a sample estimate or invoice to verify the pricing behaves as expected, and that's all there is to it. From the Price Rules page, you can always revisit your rules to refine the name, scope, or timing as your pricing strategy evolves.